to export the existing database in MySQL and then upload it to Google Bucket, then import it to Google Cloud. But before that, we need to start a Google Cloud instance for SQL. So we're gonna click on this one. Then we're gonna click on SQL to create a new MySQL instance. So we're gonna create the instance here, and this one there is still a beta version, so we just run the other one, the first generation. This one has some issues with the screen. Then let's access to this. Okay, then we're gonna click on choose the first generation. Okay, and then remember to choose the same regions as your project regions. Then instance name for this one, what our name is, let's say student management system DB instance. Okay, I use only use lowercase, so student management system DB instance. Okay, create a new instance for it. Then choose the default one we're gonna create. Okay, then we have our instance creating here. Okay, this instance is just like a MySQL server running on Google Cloud. Okay, while waiting for the instance to start, we're going to go back to our console. Okay, copy that one, go to console, or just go to MEM. And in order to go to MEM or to go to this place, you're gonna click on MEM, then open web start page, and in here I already opened, so it's here. Then we're gonna click our students database, student DB over here, and I would like to export this database so that we're gonna use it to import it into Google Clouds. So we're gonna click quick display, then go. Okay, then it has this characters is gonna be chopped because it's different from the characters that you'll see from here, so it doesn't work. So let's just go back here, and then I'm gonna choose custom and display all the options there. Then display the comments. We don't need the comments. We're gonna export the structure as well as the data. We're gonna add the create table, add create view, so on and so forth there. Enclose table column names with this one I'm gonna remove that. Enclose the table and column names with backwards to protect the column table name, but this one doesn't work, so I'm just gonna remove that. Okay, most of it. Only thing that I disable is this one. Okay, so we're gonna click on go. Then here is the queries for us to create the database. I prefer it to, let's just go back and do once more modification custom, so we don't quote this. Okay, we don't close. And I would like to add something like a create database. Okay, create database and use the database statements. Okay, so that is gonna create database and use the database there. Remember to choose this one and uncheck this one. Okay. Then click on go. We have our database created here. Okay, create database. If not exist, create table. I don't want the comments. You see, I forgot, but I don't want the comments. This kind of comments just mess things up. Okay, that messes things up. So you can manually delete the comments, or again go back once more. Go back. Then we're going to uncheck the display comments over there. Okay. Then now click go. So we have a lot simpler database there, and set time zone and so on and so forth. We don't need it. So we're gonna copy this several lines of codes there, copy it, and I'm gonna create a new, let's say, new file. Okay, paste it. I'm gonna save this one as SQL. Okay, so or let's just studentgb.sql. Okay, save. Okay, we have studentgb.sql on my desktop already. So go back to this one. So our database instance is created already. We click on this. Okay, we click on the database instance. It's started, and right now you could start importing the SQL query to our database. And if you click on import, it's gonna ask us to import via the SQL. Okay, the SQL command, but then it's gonna browse from our bucket. We haven't got our bucket yet, so I'm gonna cancel this one. Cancel this one. Then we're gonna click on. Okay, we're gonna click on this. Then we're gonna see our storage. Okay. Then in here I have a bucket already, but you can create a bucket. Let's say create a new student management system SQL file. Okay, student management system SQL file. Then choose every other information like we have done before. We create that bucket. Okay. Once we create the bucket, we're going to upload the file that I created earlier. So that file is studentdb.sql. Open. Okay, so we'll wait for it to upload. It's finished uploading. So we have our file over here. Then go back to our SQL instance. Go back to our SQL instance. Okay, we click on the database instance over there, and then we're gonna import. Okay, we're gonna import SQL file. We'll browse from the SMS SQL file over here. Then we choose the student database SQL file that we exported previously. Click on select. Click on import. We'll wait for it. Okay, it's importing data to our database. Okay. Yeah, done importing. So after finish importing, we have our database there already. Okay, so you could also export the data and see. Okay, export the data and see if you do have the database already. But after these steps, for sure, okay, you already be able to create a new database instance, which is like MySQL, okay, instance. Then create a new bucket from the storage, upload your exported SQL, okay, exported SQL file to the bucket. Then you could already import the SQL script to create a new MySQL database on the MySQL instance or SQL instance on Google Cloud. Okay, and the next steps we're gonna do is that we're going to deploy, change the configuration of our website and deploy it online. Okay.